Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need to act now. Open your iPhone and confirm it's signed into the same Apple ID as the watch. Once done, make sure location services and Find My are enabled. These let Apple record the watch's last known GPS. Next, unlock your iPhone, launch the Find My app, and pick devices. You're starting the localization process intentionally so the system can show the last reported position. Don't skip the account check, because failing, that prevents any location data from appearing. You should now tap the watch entry and study the map pin and the last seen timestamp. This tells you when and where the watch was last connected. If it's nearby, choose Play Sound to help you find it audibly. If it's away, tap directions to open maps and get turn-by-turn guidance to that location. Also check for notifications like offline or erased. These explain whether the watch is currently reachable versus only providing its last known point because it's powered off or out of range. When you arrive, call ahead to the place or ask a staff member to check the precise location shown on maps. This saves time and prevents unnecessary searching. If you can't recover it immediately, enable Mark as Lost in Find My. This locks the watch, shows your contact number, and suspends payments, which protects you while you track. Finally, if it's clear the device won't return, choose Erase Watch to wipe personal data. This is the last resort, so use it only when recovery seems impossible or theft is confirmed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.